I'm Hilary Dudek. I'm the head of customer experience at Gamma. Gamma is an AI-powered tool that allows you to bring your ideas into the world, whether that's a presentation, a website, a social media post. Gamma is your partner in designing your content. We have a saying, give the people what they want, and that's very much true of customer support as well. We were up to like 22,000 tickets. Wait times were very long for all of our customers. Their frustration was building. And that was reflected in our CSAT scores. I think it was an average of 69%. Not a great experience for myself or the customers. Gamma's customer support team was pretty small. It was 8 agents, a team lead, and a moderator. We were starting to feel the pressure of, do we staff more humans for this? How do we want to approach this as this volume starts to increase? We were going to have time off for the holidays. And so at that point, we're like, okay, we need to do something. What solutions do we have at our fingertips? And that's when we considered Fin. We had set Fin to answer every single inbound conversation, email, or chat, and just take a first pass at it. I was definitely nervous. I was also excited to see what Fin could do. I checked in definitely during the holiday period because I just do that anyways. I was pretty impressed with the stats that I saw. So the resolution rate was already around 50%, which is really astronomical. The CSAT was already exceeding the human CSAT, like 75%. My perception of what Fin could do absolutely changed. It went from, it's just another AI solution to, we're onto something here. Since implementing Fin, life has really changed for our team. The amount of questions that were getting routed to our team at the time before Fin was like 90-something%. Fin has taken on so much that I think about 25% now gets routed to a human, which is absolutely incredible. The team now actually has time to go troubleshoot in our product, provide just a slower, more quality support experience for our customers. We have started using Fin more broadly. For example, my community manager has actually integrated Fin into our Slack community. And so Fin is able to answer questions for our users, especially our global users who, are asking questions in the middle of the night when we're not around. In terms of resolution rate, we're at 75%, which is truly astronomical for Fin. And we have more opportunities to even increase that rate if we allow Fin to start taking on more of the things that some of our humans are doing right now. The success of implementing Fin has shown us that we can trust Fin to do other things. So what does Fin as a customer success manager look like at Gamma? Can Fin handle our refunds for us? That's something that would free up even more agent time. Gamma's customer support will always be human-centric, but Fin plays an integral part of that process because Fin is supporting and enabling all of our human support agents. And with a global base of over 50 million users, that's a huge task, and Fin is standing up to the challenge.